Hello YouTube. With the new iPhone update version 18.1, the ability to fully turn off listening modes on your AirPods has been removed. Now, to restore this option, you need to make a quick adjustments to your settings. And this is how you do it. You go to your settings and select your AirPods. Scroll down to press and hold AirPods option, where you can choose Noice Control Modes for each AirPod. Before this update, I could turn off listening mode entirely by long pressing the left AirPod control, but now, as you see, the off option is disabled by default. So to bring the off button back, go to your AirPods main settings, then scroll down. You'll find a new off listening mode right here, which is disabled. So to bring this off option back, you need to toggle this off listening mode, make sure it's green, you click OK. Now, if you return to control modes, the off button is restored and now available to use. You can pick it, and if you don't need transparency or adaptive mode, you can disable it. Thank you for watching.